friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm going to share a very healthy recipe with you that you can use it for your breakfast meal, and it's called mango strawberry smoothie. So in this one you need about 17 to 18 fresh strawberries. I already washed and made it ready to use, and you need 3 mangoes, and try to take the yellow ones because then you don't need to add extra sugar, so they can add the sweetness to your smoothie. You need about 4 ice cubes, and I'm going to take about 4 cups of yogurt. So I do have 2 cups in each of the bowl over here. You need 4 tablespoons of sugar, and if you would like to decorate your smoothie, you can add some pistachios or any other nuts or the things you like it to top it with that. And I'm going to show you at the end how I'm going to top it, these ones. And you do need 1 cup of milk. So again, if you don't want to add milk, it's up to you, but if you can add a milk, it's going to give a nice sour and sweet taste kind of together. So first you need to take the mangoes and wash them and peel them, and I'm going to show you. I have already peel the mangoes, and I do have it here. And once you're done peeling, then I want you to take the pulp off. So I do have one to show you over here. So you can just take a pulp off of this seed. So all mango pulp is here. And now once you're done with this, we are going to add our pulp into the blender. So you do need a blender for your smoothie. So first I'm going to add a pulp. So this is the pulp of 3 mangoes. And now I'm going to add strawberries. They look nice and red, and it's going to add a nice color to your smoothie, and believe me, it's very healthy, full of vitamin C. Now I'm going to add yogurt, and so I'm going to add another 2 cups of yogurt, and now we are going to add sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm going to blend them together. Now I'm going to add ice cubes. I'm adding 4 ice cubes, but you can add more if you want to make it more cold. And I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Try different speeds so it can blend it nicely, so it's consistently smooth. So now our smoothie is almost ready, and I'm going to pour. You can see it's a nice color, and if you like the smoothie thick, I would say add less milk, and it will be more thicker. And I'm gonna decorate it with the fresh strawberry on the top. So I'm going to just cut this strawberry, and it's all attached at one part. And the first half, I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to decorate with some pistachios on top. So your nice healthy smoothie is ready for you. Again, you can add a sugar if you like it more sweeter, but in order to make it healthy, I would say 4 tablespoons are good. So Thank you so much for listening to our recipe. And if you like the recipe, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.